Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about project scope under PMP. Let us first understand what is project scope. Basically, project scope is related with collecting information necessary for the successful running of a project. The information may be anything that would help, assist or support project during initial, operating or final stage of the project. It deals with the how of the project. It is more work-oriented. Let's now study about project scope management. It is the work that is to be done to get a desirable result or deliverables or outcome. Project scope management has a major role in two process groups, namely planning process, monitoring and controlling process. Generally, during initial stages of project, scope is limited but gradually increases with the progress of the project. Project scope management helps to maintain and balance the scope baselines. Coming to product scope. It is related with the specifications, features and characters that are required to be imbibed in the final product. It deals with the what of a project. It is more functional oriented. So in simple words, in order to achieve a result, some work or task need to be done. That work or task is the project scope that is to be done to achieve the particular result or deliverables called as product scope. Coming to plan scope management. It creates the scope management plan. It includes elements such as how scope will be defined, validated, monitored or controlled, etc. It gives the direction and path to manage scope across the project. Now, how to collect requirements. First of all, you need to identify different key and impact stakeholders of the project. After that, collect required information from the stakeholder using techniques such as brainstorming, requirement traceability matrix, organizing workshops, etc. It is an important aspect in order to meet the product scope or meet the objectives of the stakeholder. After defining the project and collecting required information from the different stakeholders of the project, it is the role of project manager to clearly understand and analyze the goal, the outcome desired, and the deliverables to be met. Project manager's responsibility will be to outline the actual work needed to be performed in order to meet the project deliverable. Output would be the project scope statement. Let's now come to creating WBS. WBS is known as Work Breakdown Structure. In this, all the task or work outlined in previous step will be divided into manageable tasks. This is essential so that a task or work could be assigned to the person according to a skill, and this also assists in manpower planning. In WBS, work package level is the lowest level or individual form of WBS. So to summarize, in this video we learned about project scope under PMP, in which we studied about what is project scope, product scope, plan scope management, how to create WBS and how to collect requirements. For a complete course on PMP, visit www.skillify.com.